hear this. Liberty come through carelessness. So no bother with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, more you hear me.
Yes, babes. Yeah, man, we talk later. Alright, cool.
Yes, we can make a call.
You not stay too long on the call?
No, my mama make a call.
Alright, do it fast then.
Mama boy.
Bunny?
Yeah?
What's Bunny?
You know, so you chew me up this morning.
So Bunny, what am I do for you, Bunny?
I come back home, man.
Bunny, you know so me can't take you back at this yard.
What am I going to do now, Mama?
Bunny, you know so me can't take you back at this yard because you know say you and the pitney them can't agree.
What am I going to do now, Mama?
I want my phone.
What am I going to do now, Mama?
I want my phone.
Yeah, the bigger one moment now.
Give my phone. You're not easy. Alright, but the boy done my credit. Sure.
I hang myself, you know.
But the taxi takes so long to come, man. What happened to you, young man?
That's one girl robbed me last night and landlord threw me out this morning. I don't know if I go, I'm going to hang myself.
No, how you fit do that? Why you want to hang yourself? What is the name?
Bonnie Longwood Johnson.
What is your name?
Bonnie Longwood Johnson.
It's alright. Don't worry yourself. I'm going to help you out here.
Ronnie!
Yeah?
Come here then.
Bunny, there's something why you look for now. Why you look for something? So Bunny, help me look for it now. And I did it, Joe.
Rosie, where you do this? Them a bullet ya. The girl them a use.
Give me this one.
Miss Rosie. Can't give it at me now.
Yeah man, you're welcome, Bunny. My life for help people, you know, my sister you really need help, so I just do what I have to do and help you, is it?
Yeah man, my rum done now.
Yeah man, I want them to get some from it, you know.
What one, babes?
Hey, so what's up, babes?
You know what boy doing pipe bust on the road there and I help him start out here, so I say.
Next thing you go start catch cold expense upon me.
Why, you know me have to help a brother, you know, babe.
Use this and come over yourself, wipe off yourself. Thanks, Bunny.
How that? In a me house.
Yo, what?
In a me house.
Something. When last you contribute to a billionaire? Eh? Anyway, I'm a cousin. I'm a cousin from country.
So, your cousin from country, when he am Bonnie, have to come stay with you in a house.
Yeah, because him come up here for help me, because you not help me with nothing. So me ask him to come up here, come help me. Anyway, him cook your favorite food on there now, in the kitchen. Curry chicken, mac and flour.
So come over eat now. Come over eat now. What's the nice one? Ah man, what's the nice one? Come like, what's the about something around there somewhere? I don't know what. Shaman, are you this?
Yeah man.
Food smell good. Trust me. I eat wake me up, man.
Yeah man, a chef what me do for years on man.
So Rosie there?
You what I do?
Yeah man, for real, what go on? Pliers. Yeah, me get the credit man, yeah, for real. Yeah, and the next thing them when you left give me, you have to know what go on. Ask one and one boy no come back and tea for the cakes for them man. Yeah. That man wants to stay cool, you know. Man, TV cake so them and sell it to you, talk them down. I kill not kill him tonight, you know.
Shaman, food tastes good enough, man. Rose, I want thing I tell you, you know. Cause you can cook, you see it. You see, you know, I'm not where you left, you know. I say, you right now, you run the place. Hey, Rosie!
Oi!
I want a 30 grand then, I must say a weekend and a scammer party, you know. I want the kickers. And some polo shirt and some, because I want to look like a scammer them too. Remember your man for hot.
But wait, you're not giving back my card.
Babes, you want to say you can't last, baby?
Where say? Me can't do, you reach your last, me can't. Imagine me give me card and you last me card. Or you're so careless. And then me can't take with any. You know you're too careless though.
Anybody want to catch a 5 bills right now, come in. And then I try with no tongue game, you know. I say, how much you have funny now, daddy?
5 bills, me a bit funny.
Yeah, man, long time.
How is the belt, man?
Yeah, man, I see
like, nothing now go on for me today.
Yo, Dan,
last game me I play, daddy.
Say nothing, man. Next time, man. Next time you will look, you see? I say a game going on. Let's be able to go on. You know, so we have to play one game, you're not try a thing.
I don't really trust that game, I still know. But go on, but missing now.
Up on. In here say you win, out you say you lost, you understand?
Yo, boss.
Gosh, baby. You want lucky, sir? You see, I try a thing, you know?
How much you try?
Any amount you can put, baby.
Alright, now go start with the 5 bills, you know.
Alright, yeah, man. Yeah?
So, you know, so?
Yeah. Hey, baby, how come you want to know, man? Yo.
Well, say inside with outside the last.
Yeah.
Why no? Watch the man, boy! Yo! Things are going for 500, man.
Right now. Broke me, man.
I don't want to say. I'll double it here, man. Yo, 5 grand me I put on it. 5 grand me I put on it right now. 5 grand.
You run things in. Wow. I like how I'm lucky there. Catch back when I lose. Yeah? Yo, you know some little machine around this, you can't come in and go down. So I have some there. Oh, short man, when I see you now try again. I don't like nothing now go on, I'm going to change the spot and I'm going to go down the town and go on.
Babes, you know somewhere else to go?
No, so I'm not quite ready. I still want to go on also be.
Alright, I'll go up here.
Right.
Come on.
Alright, I remember look for something nice for me here.
Alright.
Babes.
Yo, boss, where you get kids?
I want the man work for, man.
Which man over there shall say
Same man.
boss? Which man?
Where are they?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, officer.
We have for the law.
Like what, officer?
License non-registration.
You know what, officer? I left my phone, my purse at home. That's where my license is.
Left what? Anyway, you know, so I can prostitute you.
Yes, officer, I know you can prostitute me.
So, how you going to take yourself out of this now? What you can do for police?
Alright, officer. Let me give you a number.
Long time you say that I can prostitute you, you know, at any time, you know.
So I can turn on my engine?
No, not until you give me the number. I know you come clown me out neither, you know.
878
Take out my blackberry and girl. As you know, the law must prevail. Anyway, like how Brownie looks still, you know. What kind of number this? What kind of dial is number this? Take man for fool! Come on, Ty car. Come on. Look like a my car this now. You have to go call the wrecker. Huh? Jesus, please. Baby, why you don't give me a number if you give me a number? Yeah, babe, sir.
Officer, I don't tell you lies. I want to look at misunderstanding.
Some farmer which mistake, don't go dial it. Let me check the number here, you know, because I don't know man, I can't artist, you know. Where your phone there?
Yeah, right here.
Alright, get it now. Oh, alright then, baby, we link up later for a drink.
Alright, officer.
Yes, so, me see you later. I hope when we call you, do your answer, you know.
Answer.
No bother with the foolishness.
No foolishness, true.
Alright, go on the road.
Alright, officer, thank you.
Yeah, man, later. Yes, get a Brownie number. Link up later. Hard day's work. Later.
Hear this, liberty come through carelessness. So no bother with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, more you hear me, miss. A carelessness cause this a crisis.